All right, I'm going to do one more example here for applying, proportions or cross multiplication. Uh, Again, to the slope formula. Slope of the line between the points, blah and blah, is 3/5. We want to solve for x. All right. So I'm going to take the 3/5, which is my slope, and I'm going to plug that in for the m. And then this can be my x1 right here. This can be my y1. And I'll call this my x2, and this whole thing, or this 3 right here, I can call my y2. All right, we'll just substitute in the values first. So it's going to be 3/5 is equal to, and then y2 is just a 3 minus, and then y1 is an 8. All right, for the x2, I don't have to put this one in parentheses. It's just 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. But right here, whenever I subtract the x1, all right, I need to subtract this whole thing. So I need to subtract x plus 3. I just got to keep in mind that I have to distribute the negative or subtract the entire thing. That's what I have to do here. So again, this right here, this is my x2, 2x plus 1, and this is my x1. I have to subtract the whole thing. That's why I put it in parentheses. All right, we'll simplify first. 3/5 will stay the same. 3 minus 8. That's going to give me a negative 5. All right, it's going to be 2x, and if I distribute the negative, it's going to end up being a negative x. So 2x and a negative x will leave me with a 1x. If I distribute the negative, it becomes a negative 3. So it's a positive 1 and a negative 3, which will be a negative 2. Okay. Now I can cross multiply. Awesome. All right, so 5 times the negative 5, that's going to be negative 25, equals, and then the 3, I'm going to cross multiply that with this whole thing. So 3 times x will be 3x, and then 3 times the negative 2 will be a negative 6. All right, just got to move my 6 over to the other side. Plus 6 plus 6. Negative 25 plus 6, that's negative 19. Those canceled. And then divide by 3. All right, so that would be my answer right there. So x equals negative 19 thirds. If you want it as a decimal, I guess. What would that be? 6.33, repeating. Negative 6.33 as a decimal. Okay.